Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Rocky Linux 10.1. But the process is same on all Rocky Linux 10 versions, either it may be 10.1 or later versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Rocky Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version from this list. See here we have the 8.4.7. select it, then select the operating system Red Hat or Oracle Linux, then select the OS version. See here we have the Red Hat or Oracle Linux 10, so select this for the Oracle Linux 10 as well. Then once we selected these options, you see it populated list of RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and execute. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle, click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. At a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 875 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will enter the star file and we will install these RPM packages. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar it, tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. So install them by running the command sudo rpm-ivh-no-deps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.4.7. We have successfully installed control-L. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. See, okay, we have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the same. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is started. Okay, go to quit. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, you must have the password of the MySQL user account. Either it may be root or non-root account. But we can get the MySQL user root temporary password by going to sudo more/var log, then MySQL D .log grep password. Hit enter. See, this is a temporary password for the root account. Okay, this is not same for you. Now set the permanent password for the root account. Sudo MySQL _secure _installation. Now copy this temporary password, paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password for root account. Remember this password, later we need this password. No, remove anonymous users, yes, no, yes, reload privileges, yes, all done. We have successfully set the password for the root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. Command is mysql-u root-p, then provide the password of the root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.7. We can also get the version of the MySQL Server by running select See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases, show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now verify tables, show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. Control A. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current user and connect with this new user. Exit. So mysql -u, username is David-p. Then provide the password of this user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See the error, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.4.7 on Rocky Linux 10.1 sudo, but the process is same on all Rocky Linux versions. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL server is stopped. See here, it is inactive at dead 5 seconds ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, now start it. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Now verify the same. See, MySQL server is started 3 seconds ago. Okay, control A. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart mysqld. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL workbench DB. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL workbench DB on Rocky Linux operating systems. Okay, we have successfully installed. Else these files are not required anymore, so remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Ls. See here we have one more file. Remove it. rm mysql, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Rocky Linux 10.1. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.